It is possible that you may not even be aware that you are exhaling bad breath. And when you become aware of it, you may find it embarrassing to open your mouth to talk to people. At those times you need some quick remedies that can stop bad breath immediately. Let's examine if baking soda is good for stopping bad breath quickly. It is important to understand that bad breath can come from tonsil infections, stomach infections, or infections in the teeth and gums. Baking soda will only help in dealing with bad breath originating from the teeth and gums. Other infections can't be handled by baking soda. It helps in treating halitosis, a tooth infection, and gingivitis, a gum disease. Baking soda also helps to heal mouth ulcers and sores. It possesses anti-inflammatory properties and it is alkaline in nature, that is why it's a natural neutralizer of acidity. These properties of baking soda help to kill bacteria in the mouth. At the same time, its alkaline nature does not do any harm to the teeth or your gums. In fact, it helps to whiten the teeth. Let us look at 2 effective ways of getting rid of bad breath with baking soda. First method requires you to use baking soda as a mouth rinse. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda powder in a cup of warm water. Mix it well so that the powder completely dissolves in the water. Gargle with the water for at least 2 minutes. You can add sea salt also for even better impact. Another effective way to use baking soda for bad breath is to add it to your daily toothpaste. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to the usual amount of toothpaste you generally take for brushing to make a thick paste and brush your teeth with it. Baking soda for bad breath is safe to use on your teeth and gum. Since the powder can be a little abrasive, use it gently while brushing your teeth. If your bad breath doesn't go away in 2 days with home remedies, then consult a doctor to treat the underlying condition that is causing bad breath. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.